Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to strike through, bold, and italicize your text in YouTube. This works in both comments and your description. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this video here, just a random video. And then I'm gonna go to the comment section. I'm gonna leave a comment. The first comment, I'm gonna do strike through text. Then I'm gonna make the next text bold, and then I'm also gonna italicize the text. So to strike through text, what you need to do is do a dash followed by the text you want to strike through. So I'm going to say hello followed by dash. So that's going to be a strike through through the word hello. And then if I wanted to make it bold, what you need to do is do an asterisk, then the word you want to make bold. So let's say eagle followed by an asterisk again. So you have to open asterisk and then close it with an asterisk. Same with strike through. You have to open dash, close dash. And then lastly, if I want to make it italics, to do that, you need to do underscore, and then the text you want to do, followed by underscore. So in this example, we're going to have hello crossed out, eagle is going to be bold, and then the word text is going to be in italics. So I'm going to go ahead and comment. And as you can see here, everything I said is accurate. Hello is crossed out. Let me go back to that video. Hello is crossed out, eagle is in bold, and text is in italics. And that's how you strike through text, make text bold, and make text italics in YouTube. I hope you found this quick video useful. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you all in future quick videos.